Hello. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see me well?
Yeah.
Welcome to the class. I hope you're ready for today's class.
Yeah.
Did you eat anything before coming to the class?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
Maggie.
Very nice, very good. चलो अभी हम क्लास शुरू करेंगे. In today's class, I'm going to teach you about decimals. All right. Decimals are extremely important to learn. If you want to be good with real life scenarios, because we use decimals in currency, that means with money, with time. I already told you some of the benefits, right? So we are going to dive into the topic, and if we have enough time, we are also going to solve some word problems. Right, Anna?
Okay.
Yes. First of all, let me know what do you know about decimals.
So decimals, they are important in maths and they cover all areas. So, even you can have word problems and you can add decimals, multiply decimals, subtract decimals, and add. Um, so you can do all of these things, and they have a decimal point in them, which separates one column to another column.
Very nice. What else?
And they so they're a type of whole number as well.
What are called whole numbers?
So whole numbers are numbers which are not like fractions, and they're just one number whole.
All right. Can you tell me the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers?
Natural numbers are 0 to 9, and whole numbers are 1 to 9.
Okay. Who told you this?
Is it correct?
I will be telling you, but let me know who told you this.
So before I used to have different tuition, but now I switched. So I think, yeah, I got to know from that.
All right. So whatever you said, that is incorrect, right? If I talk about whole numbers, you have to start counting from 0, not for natural numbers. Whole
So
numbers.
opposite,
Yeah, the opposite thing that you said. All right. 0 to infinity. Again, natural numbers start with 1 to infinity.
Okay.
All right, not only for 1 to 9 or 0 to 9. You can have numbers. All right.
Yeah.
Fine. Very good. Before that, Arna, can you talk about the rules of the class?
So ask the teacher before you turn off your camera, and be in a silent place, and don't talk over the teacher.
About notebook and pen or pencil to write it down.
Yeah.
All right. So, are you ready with your notebook? Very nice. Make sure you write one side map and another side science. Don't merge them together. All right. Fine. What we were discussing in our last class was science class, right?
We were discussing about cells, and we got to touch the topic of skeletal system.
Correct. Can I ask you a few questions about the things that you have learned in your last class? All right. Let me know the function of epithelial cell.
the function is
Actually, those are the cells which form surface over organs. Right? Fine. Then what else? What about the function of endothelial cell?
you didn't tell me that
I
function.
told you, right? So endothelial cell or cells are cells that we get in the heart. I mean, in the arteries, surface of arteries, heart, blood vessels. I told you, right?
No, you didn't tell me this one.
I have taken example of circulatory system there. I have asked you to tell me the circulatory system parts, and you told about the three parts. Then I said, this acts as a layer or surface of these three parts. Okay, no problem. Remember, okay, endothelial cells are the cells which are act as the layer of heart, arteries, okay, blood veins, and it makes sure about the good blood flow, right? Fine. Now tell me about skeletal system. What are the functions of skeletal system?
So it gives shape to our body.
Right.
It gives us support to the body so we can stand erect, and it protects the vital internal system.
You can simply understand, okay? No need to by heart. I never ask you to tell the same thing that you have in your notebook, right? So try to understand, yeah. So it protects our internal organs. Simply, it protects our organs.
It protects our organs as we have a layer on it.
Yes. I have already given you a few examples as well. So simply remember, skeleton or skeletal system protects our internal organs, or you can simply say organs. No need to by heart. I never want my students to by heart. All right, Anna? Very nice. Do you have any doubts regarding the things that we have discussed in the last class? No doubts. Okay. Can you name some cells that we have in our body?
Some cells. So bone cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, muscle cells, sex cells, fat cells, and nerve cells, endothelial cells, epithelial cells.
Very nice, very good. What about nerve cells? What is the function of nerve cells?
So, the function of our nerve cells is to give blood to our body.
No, dear. Nerve cells are the cells which sends and receives the signals in our body.
Okay.
All right. As I have already explained to you that we have three different types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves are the nerves which takes signals from organs and send to the brain and spinal cord.
Okay.
Motor nerves are the nerves that take signals from the brain and spinal cord and sends to the different parts or different organs of the body. Okay. Sensory nerves are the reverse of motor nerves. When you mix together, then you can get the third one, that is mixed nerves. Okay, the mix of sensory and motor. Right, Arna? Are you getting me? So
Yeah.
you have to remember the function of nerve cells. They sense and receive signals.
Okay.
All right? Fine. Any more doubts? I will be asking you some questions even in coming classes. Be well prepared about the things that we have discussed. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. So now, yes, we will start today's topic. Okay? That is decimals. Open your math book, the math side. Write down today's date, that is 14th of October 2021, and write down your heading as decimals.
Wait, what's the date?
14th of October.
Okay, thank you. What's the title is decimals.
Yes. We have completed fractions, and you're going to get a test from me soon. I'm not sure like when you will get it, but by the end of Sunday, definitely you will get your test on YSM. Right? By the end of Saturday or Sunday. All right. Any more doubts? You don't have any doubts, right?
No.
Okay. I taught you about what are called decimals. Can you just explain the definition of decimals? Did you remember I taught you? If you want, you can also refer your notebook for reference if you have.
This is my thing. Yeah, so decimals. So if you have like 4.5, the 4 will be the whole number, the decimal will be the decimal point, and the 5 will be the fractional part.
Very
So that's
nice.
an example of the parts.
That's correct. In a decimal number, you're going to get whole number part, decimal point, and fractional part. Now I'm going to write a number on the screen, and I want you to read out the decimal number. And make sure you read properly because you have already learned about this. All right, here you go.
3.4444. 324.78.
See, again, you're committing a mistake here.
324.78.
Pardon me?
324.78.
Okay. Completely all right, Anna. Now listen to me. Just now we have discussed about the advantages of learning decimals, which are really important for our measurements. If you want to measure the length of anything, again, you use decimals there, isn't it? For length, for time, for money, isn't it? So those all are the advantages. If I talk about the definition, just now you said the definition. I think you're clear with the definition, right? Any doubts? No. Advantages are done. Definition is completed. Now, reading a decimal number. I told you a lot of times. You can just read the whole number part normally as we do, like 324. But the numbers that you get after decimal point, you have to read them individually, not this part, not whole number part, only fractional part. All right, Arna? I already told you before, but it's completely all right. Make sure you remember this. Okay, now I'm going to write one more number. I want you to read perfectly.
444.22.
444.22.
Yeah.
Okay. Take your own time, but make sure you read properly.
3,802.32.
Fantastic. So this is what you have to remember. You
Yeah.
have to read numbers individually, which are there in the fractional part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, writing and decimal number. Writing a decimal number. For
Yeah.
example, right? So here I have written a decimal number, isn't it? I'm not going to read out the decimal number. I will be reading later, but now I want you to write down the decimal number which is there on the screen in words. In words. All right? Not in
Can
words,
I do it on
in
the screen?
words. Yes.
Can I do it on the screen?
No, I want you to do in your notebook.
Okay. Done.
Done? Okay, can you
Yeah.
read out?
42.90, 89, sorry.
42.89. It's correct. All right. So you have to write this as point. Fine. Don't get confused, Arna. Be relaxed. Be calm. All right. You know all the answers. I know that because you have already learned. You will be seeing. But the thing is, you're being a bit excited. You can be excited in the class. That is completely all right. I want you to be excited. But yeah, sometimes you have to just control yourself to say correct answers. All right? Be relaxed. I know you can do it. Great. So now, what are the topics that we have completed in decimals in today's
Reading
class?
a decimal and writing a decimal.
Reading, writing, definition, advantages. Okay. What else? Yeah. We will go with operations now. And then we will be covering the other topics. First of all, let me tell you the topic that is conversion of decimals into fractions. Conversion of decimals into fractions must be your side heading. Okay, Anna?
Yeah. Conversion of decimals.
Can you convert this decimal number into fractions?
3/25.
Let me write down your answer. 3/25?
Wait, no, that's not the answer.
Okay.
Uh,
Any idea? Okay, fine. So here we have 3.25 as a decimal number. We have to convert this decimal number into fractions. What we can do, we can't write 3 over 25, isn't it?
No.
So what we have to do is, we have to write down the number without decimal point. If
Okay.
we remove decimal point, it will be 325 over. Okay, so now you have to count the decimal places. It means the numbers or the digits that you have after decimal point. You have two numbers. It means you have to write two zeros in the denominator along with the one.
Okay.
So this is how you have to convert. I think now you feel simple to convert.
Yeah. Can I write this
you-
on my book?
Yeah, sure, you can do it. Okay, you have to focus on decimal places and you have to write, those many zeros as
Okay.
decimal places. Okay,
Let me write it down.
yeah, along with the one. Yeah, you can write it down, and once you're done, let me know.
Okay, done.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a question where you have to convert that decimal number into fractions. All right.
Okay.
Yes, convert this. 32.5.
So 325 over 325 over 10.
325 over 10. Yes, that's correct. Very nice, Arna. Very good. One last question under this topic. Yes, convert this.
Okay. So for uh 452,342 over 10,000.
Is this your answer?
Yes.
What do you feel? Is this correct? Should we lock this answer?
Yes.
Yeah, if you don't say correct answer, you may lose 1 lakh rupees. Yeah, okay, fine, great. I'm just kidding. Very good. I think now you got the concept, right? I think this is what you were asking on WhatsApp. I still remember saying this, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Now, we will do the reverse of the thing that we have done. That means conversion of fractions
Oh, I think I know. I think.
into decimals. If you know, that's really great.
Just give me one example to be sure. So.
Okay, sure, definitely.
Okay, yeah.
Shall we go?
Yes.
All right. Same example. So 325 over 100. By looking at that, we can simply see the decimal number without dividing it.
Yeah. I think I know what to do.
All right. Can you tell me the answer to this question?
Can I just work it out?
No need to work out. You can just look and you can say the answer. No need to divide.
32.5.
Pardon me?
32.5.
Is this your answer?
Yes.
Shall we lock?
Yes.
Okay.
No, wait. I think it's I think it's 3.25.
Okay, but you said this as correct and you told me to lock the answer.
What?
Yes, this is incorrect. The answer that you said later, that is correct.
Because if it was 32.5, it needs to be 325 over 10.
That's correct. Then it will be 32.5. But it is 325 over 10. But here you have 100. All right? Fine. Let me give you one more question. This time, I want you to be more attentive. Okay.
Not be heedless.
Okay. 425 over 1,000.
Okay. So that would be. Can I work it out?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Should I just round it to the 2 decimal places?
Okay, I don't know. I just want you to do it. No more clues. Just give an attempt to this. What do you think?
I mean, like, should I just do the decimal place and just do 2 digits after it, not keep on going?
No need to divide again. Don't divide it. You can directly get your answer by looking at the fraction. The same technique that you have to apply to this question as well. The technique that you have applied to the previous one.
Okay. 0.42. 0.42.
Quarter. Then where this number gone? Where this number has gone?
Wait, I think that's wrong. Yeah. So
I know this is a bit tricky. That is why I have given this to you.
0.425.
0.425. Can you
Yes.
explain like how you got 0.425 as your answer?
Is it correct?
Yeah, let me know. I will be saying I'm here. I won't go anywhere. But explain the reason, like how you got it.
So I put the decimal point and then moved it 3 forward, and then as it was before the 0, I needed to put a 0 before the.
Why you kept 0 in front of 0.425? Then your answer will be like 0.425. That's all right. But why you have written 0.425?
Yeah, it's 0.425.
Then is this incorrect?
Yes.
Is this incorrect?
No. Wait.
All right.
No. Wait. It's not incorrect because the 0 doesn't matter because it doesn't have any value. So it doesn't matter if you put, but normally you would put a 0 just to make sense.
It's amazing. Very good reason. Now do
Is it correct?
Yes, you got it correct. All right. This time you have 4 zeros. Come on. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, I think I know. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay. 0.032.
That's all?
Yes.
0.03.
5 and 5.
Why you hate 5? Why are you forgetting 5? All right. No problem. So yes, your answer is correct.
Yeah, because you need to put 2 zeros.
Perfect. You have to balance the number, the fractional part.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. So you know how to convert decimals into fractions, fractions into decimals.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will go with the addition of decimal numbers.
Okay. Oh, I think I know how to do that. I think so.
All right. Here you go.
Okay. 1, 3. Ooh. 35.999.
35.999. Very nice. Very good. That's all.
So you just need to line the decimals.
Correct. Subtraction of decimals.
Subtraction.
Now, subtraction of decimals. Subtract 42.555 minus 3.5.
Okay. 41.055.
41.055
Yes.
Did you get correct?
Yes.
Let's check. 42.555, 3.5.
Wait, no, I did not.
Yes.
1 sec. Sorry. Ah. 34.055.
34.
Yes.
Are you sure?
No. Oh gosh. What am I getting?
Do I need to teach subtraction to you? Like grade 1 and grade 2 students?
No. 39.055.
See, you got 3 answers for 1 question. You should get only 1, right? How you can get 3 answers? Alright, but anyhow, you got correct answer in your last attempt. Please be conscious. Alright, don't travel to different places. Be in your place. Okay, now, one more.
Minus. Ah. 54.22.22 minus 4. Okay. 25. Yeah, okay. Why do I keep on getting the answer wrong?
Be focused.
$54.22 minus 4.7 is 5. Sorry, it's taking time in just one question.
No problem.
I just keep on getting the answer wrong.
Arna, you can just, take your own time, but make sure you're doing correct. If you don't know how to do it properly, then you can take my help. I'm here to help you out. Okay, just let me know your answer. I would like to listen to your answer first before I tell you how to do it. You may get correct as well. We're not sure.
50.52.
All right, let's look at that. 54.2 to 4.7. right? So 2 will be 2 because we don't have any number there. So here, if we look at this, the above number is smaller than the below number,
Yeah.
this part, right? What we have to do in that case, we have to borrow 1, then it will be 12.
Which is
12
5.
minus 7, yeah, 5. Decimal point, decimal point. So here we have 3.
Yeah.
We have to borrow 1 again because 3 is less than 4. Then it will be 13. 13 minus 4.
9.
And here we have 4. How you got 50? You should get 49.52.
I did the carrying wrong.
Yes. Now is it clear? Please correct your
Yeah.
answer before we proceed with another question. Do slowly. I'm not keeping any time limit for you. Alright? And feel free to ask me if you don't know. It's completely alright. Okay? I won't punish you, right? I don't give you extra homework. I don't give you a lot of tests. How good I am. So you can feel free to ask me. Yes. Have you corrected your answer?
Yeah.
Let me give you one more for your practice.
Three point 23, 27.29. So 36.39. Okay, so it's something 0.79, and 5, 3. Okay. Um, 73 point, wait, 35.79.
35.79. You have to read in that way.
Yeah, 79.
That's correct.
Okay.
Very nice. Very good. You took a bit time, but it's completely all right because you got the
Okay.
correct answer. When you do
Yeah.
practice, then you can increase the speed of your calculation.
Yeah. Can't believe I took just in one question so much time.
No problem. So in operations, we have completed addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. Now we have to do multiplication. Decimals.
Yeah, I'm not so good at that, and I don't know.
No problem. I'm here to tell you. If we multiply this, I think you can do this, right? No?
Yes.
Okay, do and let me know your answer. And first write down heading as multiplication of decimals instead of doing the question, okay?
Okay. $21.0, so 21.
All right, let's check to get correct or not. In here. Yes, 21. Let me give you a bit difficult question. I mean, tricky question, I should say.
Oh,
Nothing is
7.
difficult, right?
Oh. Mm. $130 and 88.
Okay. Means 130.088? Or
Yes.
what do you mean?
Wait, 3, so yeah, 130.088.
Yes, correct.
What's the time? Oh,
You have
okay.
9 more minutes.
Wait.
Right? You have joined 10
I
minutes
thought we
late,
were going
right?
to add it on.
I told you to wait 10 minutes.
I thought we were going to add it on to the.
Shall we continue for 9 more minutes?
I also need to eat.
Okay, fine. No problem. Let's end the session now. So in the next class, I'm going to teach you how to multiply the decimal numbers if you have decimals in the, what do we say, in the multiplier place as well. So far, we have done the decimal numbers multiplication where we had decimals in multiplicand place. In the next class, I'm going to teach that along with the division of decimals, and many more concepts are there to cover. We're going to cover them all in our next class, tomorrow's class. Tomorrow will be science class, right? So we won't be able to complete math. We will be discussing about the skeletal system. If we complete skeletal system, then I will be teaching you muscular system as well, based upon time and your grasping power.
Yeah.
Okay. So see you tomorrow. I will be sending the ID. Join on time, and if you be late, then let me know on WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You too.